content on this channel is for entertainment and educational purposes only. We are, not a financial advisor, and nothing shared here should be considered financial advice, investment guidance, or a recommendation to buy or sell any financial instrument. All trading involves risk, and you should always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any trading or investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Use the information here at your own risk.
Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today we are back testing the 18th of August on EURUSD. So let's get started. I'm going to wait until 2 AM. Stop. Alright, so what are we looking for? We're basically looking for the Asian high to be taken, then reverse for a sell. Or the Asian low to be taken and reversal for a buy. Very easy. So let's wait. Alright, Asian low is taken. Let's now focus. You can also have a look at the 4-hour chart where we are right now. We're actually at the top of a 4-hour resistance area. So this possibility price can actually go up, reverse for buy, or just go back down to this support area right here. We don't have any area of interest for a new 5-minute high or low just yet, so let's move forward. And remember, we always work with the high and lows with the structure inside of London, so our focus point in this case would be here, because that is an order block with an FVG below it. So what do we want? We want an inverted fair value gap. That's what we want. So let's move forward. As you can see, price is moving down. And this low is broken here, so we focus on that order block there. Let's wait. Let's do this as well. Right. Once price breaks below this, then we wait for we focus on new highs, right? So let's wait. Okay, this is all internal structure, so there's nothing we can do about this. We just have to wait. It's a matter of time. And we wait. And we wait still. We haven't broken and closed below that line. There we go. Alright, the moment that we close below that line, we focus on the new order block, which is, there's one here, but more importantly, we have one here as well. Very small. That's why I have an indicator that points out the fair value gaps to me. So now we move this one here. So what do we wait for? Wait for a close above, retest and buy. So close above, retest, buy. We closed above it. We actually retested. So first of all, we broke the Asian session low. We've broken a new high in this case here. We have an internal fair value gap right here, inverted fair value gap. We have a pullback to the 50% fib, and we can take a buy here, but the problem is we are now at the start of New York session. So what's going to happen? Price can easily go down and take us all out. That's it. So that's why I count this as a no trade. So if this trade, however, was here, for instance, which was at least an hour earlier, then I would have taken this buy, but not in this case. So this is a no trade for me. Let's just move forward. Wow. So price did have a significant reaction of this area. Let's have a look. So what could, if we didn't worry about we are being in the new session for a trade, what could have happened? We could have taken our trade here. 57. We add 30 points to the low, and we take 1 to 1.5. There we go. How far did this run? Very far. You could have easily just taken your stop loss to break even when price went up that way, and you got stopped out at break even. The other way you could have entered this trade was here at this line, because that is the order block. I would say the order block entry, right? It's an entry that you can take because EURUSD loves to go back down close to the stop loss level before it starts reversing, and this would have been an easy take profit of 2 to 1 risk reward. Alright, so since I counted this that day as a no trade because we are at the end of the previous session and the beginning of the new one, I did not take this trade, but it would have been a successful trade if we did take that. Let's just move forward. Just for point of reference, I'll only look for a trade up until 3 o'clock New York time. So let's wait. Alright, so what are we waiting for right now? We are waiting for the London session low to be taken out. You see, London session low, before we look for a buy. Or we wait for the high to be taken out for a sell. Let's wait. Right. Low has been taken. We focus on that one there because there is a fair value gap right here. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Waiting for price to close above that level before we count it as an entry model. Okay, not yet. Price reverse there. Respecting that order block for continuous sells. We then close below that line there. So what now? What is the new focus point? This one here, because we have a fair value gap there. Alright, let's wait. Close above. Oh, nope, what happened again? Price close above there. Now we have a new focus point. Right there. Let's wait. Price rejected off that order block again multiple times and continued the sell. And that's it, guys. This was a no trade for me on the 18th of August. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in.